Next, question number 14. In a hospital, the monthly consumption of milk of 60 patients is 1350 liters. How many patients can be accommodated in the hospital if the monthly ration of milk is raised to 1710 liters, assuming the quota per head remains the same? Here from the last part we can understand only one thing, that if per head the consumption is not changing, then what is the total number of patients? What we have to find? We have to find the number of patients. Okay, so here coming back to the first statement, what is given over here? The monthly consumption of milk of 60 patients is 1350. So what we'll write, number of patients that consume 1350 liter of milk is equals to 60. Correct? Number of patients in a hospital that consumes 1350 liter of milk is equals to 60. Now number of patients in a hospital that consume 1 liter of milk is equals to 60 by 1350. And for the final statement we'll use this amount of milk, right? So we'll write number of patients in a hospital that consume 1710 liter of milk is equals to. So what will that be equal to? This 1 will copy for 1 liter whatever we are having, and then we'll multiply this by the quantity that is given. This 0 cancel out, then we'll reduce it and let's see what we get, and that comes to 76. Then finally we'll write, hence number of patients in a hospital that consume 1710 liter of milk is 76. So with this we complete the exercise. Okay, the only thing that you have to keep in unitary method for direct variation is, first, for each word problem, in most of the word problems in fact, we can choose what has to be written over here from the last part of the question. What we have to find out, we'll select that and then we'll write that. Okay, and then we'll come back to the first statement, and from the first statement we'll find what has to be written in the latter part of the statement. Only thing that you have to keep in mind is this, suppose अगर यहाँ number लिख रहे हो तो equal to के बाद equal to कब देते हैं? When here and here both are same, that means LHS is equals to RHS रहता है, then only we write equal to, right? इसका मतलब यही होता है. तो इस साइड अगर नंबर लिख रहे हैं तो वैल्यू भी इस साइड नंबर का ही होगा. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन दिस केस नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स इन हॉस्पिटल, तो यर वी हैव रिटन नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स, तो नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स एक्चुअली कितने हैं वो इक्वल टू के दूसरे साइड लिखते हैं. तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट पे देखेंगे कि वट एवर इज़ लेफ्ट, नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट तो दूसरी साइड ले गए, तो वट एवर इट इज़ लेफ्ट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर कितना मिल्क कंज्यूमर है दैट वॉज गिवन, सो विल राइट दिस सेंटेंस, फिर उसके हिसाब से फॉर्म करते हैं, एंड देन द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस विल मेक, देन दिस स्टेटमेंट विल हैव everything same except this whatever the quantity is given you will change that into 1, और 1 करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, whatever we have written over here उसको न्यूमरेटर बनाएंगे, and this side whatever is here this will become its denominator. Okay, and then go to the last part of the statement again and see what is given. We'll multiply that and we'll get the answer.